Hey guys, welcome back. This is Alan Vic channel. After the previous two videos, I thought I might take it a bit, in detail for the Microsoft Excel for everybody to use. So I have decided, to explain all the functionalities from basis on one ribbon particularly. So I'll start from home itself. So when you see home in the home ribbon, that is Alt H. So first things comes the paste. So whenever you copy something, there are huge option when you can paste it differently. Like there is a functionality. If I say like one, if I like sum. So this is a formula, and if we copy it, we go to paste, you can see there's lots of like formulas. You can paste the formulas, you can paste the value without the formulas, you can copy the formats, you can copy the comments, the validation. You can skip blanks, you can add, you can subtract, all using source themes, column width, everything. And there is transpose is row to column and column to row. It's the that the functionality of paste. So this is the paste option. Then you have the usual cut, copy. Format painter is for copying the format and paste it to your required cells. This is the font. This is the font. You can change the font of your text. This is the font size. This is the font size again. This is bold, italic, underline. This is the border, the highlight of the cell. This is coloring your text. Okay, these are like, let me show you. These are actually used in different type of formatting the text. So if this is the text, you can put it here, you can put it here. So these are actually the alignments of the text. You can change it. You can change around here also, like I'm clicking here. This is the text direction. Okay, indent is something for related to the number, and sorry, it's not the number, but you can the position of the text you can change. Wrap text is something is too big to fit, then you can copy it, show it the wrap text, like if you are writing a sentence like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So it's, suppose it's not getting fit, so you can select on wrap text. Basically wrap text is used for like this section. Okay, just let me try it. Yeah, so this is the functionality of wrap text. See, it's going to fit inside. Okay, there's another shortcut I want to show you that I use, that it's Alt O C A. So this is basically, it will take the shape of the entire text you have created. Let's make a table, heading 1, heading 7, row 1, and sample data 1. And you can select. Okay, so now if I select everything, then go to Alt OCA. Okay, now it's automatically, the width of the column will be auto fit. That is actually the function, Alt OCA. Okay, now let's move on to the format. So this is the format. This is basically general format, not number, format, you can put currency format, counting format, date format. So I'll make another video for the date itself. Time format, percentage, fraction, scientific, and text. Most commonly used is the general format. And in case of the number, if we put the number format, it will show like this. You can decrease the decimal point by and increase the decimal point by these two buttons. If you go to currency, this is the currency, and if you want like change the currency symbol, you can find from here. There's a percentage format, same thing is used. This is a comma style, how you put the comma in the number in accounting format or in currency. Usually it's for accounting format, it gets the currency gets auto selected. Okay, conditional formatting, that is basically for highlighting the sales rules, like something in the data, something is greater than some value, less than some value, between, equal to, duplicate values. That is very very useful function for that also. Top button is again, it's highlighting. It's conditional formatting is entirely used for highlighting your sale values. Data bars, again, I'll make a different video for conditional formatting. Please drop your questions in the comment section. I'll put the videos as soon as I can to answer your questions. I can set this is all for highlighting your data. Formatting the table, it's easy to use. You can select the format as table, select the format, and then your table will be there. Cell style, it's the entirely different different from the highlighting. It's actually how your cell is, the text, the colors, and everything. If it's a heading, you can put a heading. Anything you can use from here. Okay, this is basically the insert function for cell and columns. Same goes for delete and the format, how you format. So auto fit row height and hiding rows, these are you can use by mouse or you can use the shortcut keys. This is the tab color. The tab color will change. See, in the worksheet tab it's changing. But you can also do by from here also. Auto sum is the total of the numbers. Maybe it's from the top down row and from right left, whatever you want. Fill is a fill down. It's Control T. That function is been used. Flash fill is different. I'll show you different video. I'll create a different video for that. Clear is clearing the data, clearing the formats, clearing the entire contents, clearing the comments, clearing the hyperlinks. Sort is sorting your data as per. You can do it from here also, or you can do it from here. Find and replace, yes, that's Control F, Control H functionalities. So yeah, that's it for now. This is for the home ribbon. I'll go again for the other ribbons as well in the next videos. Till then, bye bye.